Here we have a white 8.5 by 16 two-window concession trailer. It's got two 3x6 concession windows, two 3,500-pound axles. It's got the V-nose. All my trailers come with all LED lights and a one-piece aluminum roof. This one we built with a ramp door. We can do it with a ramp door, barn door, or a solid wall across. Plywood interior, 3/4 plywood floors, 3/8 plywood walls. Roof vent standard in the ceiling. Dome light and side door. This one's got some extra height on it, 7-foot interior height. RV style side door on it. This is pretty much a basic trailer. We can add any options you want to it. Hood units, sink packages, glass and screen to the window, electrical, ACs. We'll fully build them out to a turnkey concession trailer, whatever you like.